At AutoLab Complete Car Care Center, you'll find ASE Certified Technicians providing high-quality auto repair in Waterford Township. As a true dealer alternative, locally owned AutoLab offers bumper-to-bumper service, which includes everything from tires and oil changes to engine rebuilds and transmission repairs for all makes and models of cars, trucks, and SUVs. The AutoLab team has made it our mission to ensure residents of Waterford, Pontiac, Bloomfield Hills, and the neighboring communities have safe and reliable transportation. To achieve this, we've invested in the latest diagnostic and repair equipment, allowing for fast, accurate, and affordable auto repair and maintenance services. Whether your car needs a tune-up, fluid exchange, or other factory auto service, or more complex brake repair, computer diagnostics, or check engine light repair, we get it done right and get it done fast. At the first sign of car trouble or when your vehicle is due for scheduled maintenance, call AutoLab or visit our website to request expert auto repair in Waterford.